Alright, hello everyone, welcome just to this little short video. It's not going to be a very big one. Sorry for any background noise. My sister has music on and they won't stop talking while I want to record, but you're going to have to deal with it. But I'm going to show you how to get past this stage on Windows 10 Home or Windows 8 Home, because as you know, there is no local account option. It's just use your Microsoft account and there's no way to bypass it. But there is a way, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video if you don't know already. So this is just a short video on how to bypass Microsoft account setup. So all you have to do is type Oliver, which is what I type anyway. This is how I do it. So just type Oliver for the email, and then for the password, just type absolutely spam letters. As you can see, I just typed absolute spam letters. And all you have to do is then hit next, and then your computer will say, oops, something went wrong, or a similar message to this. And then you can go ahead and click next. And then it will say who's going to use this PC, and you can configure a local account as you normally would without having to do Microsoft. So it's just a little short tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.